Okay, here's a tutorial in Adobe Premiere Pro 2017 related to objects. For example, if I drag and drop an image file onto the timeline, it's here, then I have this yellow arrow. Okay, but how should I move it? How should I rotate it? How should I scale it, position it, and so on? Well, first of all, click on that arrow, in this case is this one, and go to Effect Controls. If the Effect Controls window is not there, then Window and Effect Controls. Okay, and after you open Motion, just by clicking on Motion, notice that square around it, and from this one you can resize it by dragging the sides. You can rotate it by going to the corners. Okay, and of course you can position it wherever you want. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. So if we go to position, we can manually enter those values or just drag these numbers to the left or to the right. One is the horizontal and one is the vertical value. Okay, scale, the same thing. You can drag the value and you can change it. Rotation, the same thing. Drag that number and the shape is rotated. Anchor point, well, in the middle there is a point, this one, and around that point the object is rotated. But if you modify that anchor point, let's say I will move the object here and the anchor point remained there. So here at anchor point, I moved the anchor point. Here at rotation, notice now the arrow is not rotating around its middle, around its center, but it's rotating around that anchor point, this one. Okay, and you can reset all of these values just by coming here to the right side. So let's say position, reset, it set it back to the center, scale, that's the size, back to the original, rotation, and so on. You can reset all of them. You can change the opacity, the transparency from here, opacity, and drag that number. Now it's transparent and now it's fully visible. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.